Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer your Chainlink tokens from a Tangem wallet to Kraken in 2025. If you're holding Chainlink and want to move it to an exchange for trading or staking, this step-by-step tutorial is perfect for you. By the end, you'll feel confident handling this process yourself. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. A Tangem wallet with your Chainlink tokens, a verified Kraken account, and a stable internet connection. Crypto transfers can be irreversible, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app on your device. If you haven't already, unlock it with your PIN or biometric authentication. Navigate to your Chainlink holdings, look for the Link token in your portfolio. Once you're there, select the option to send or transfer tokens. Step 2. On Kraken, log into your account and go to the deposit section. Find Chainlink, Link, in the list of supported assets. Kraken might have updated its interface by 2025, so look for a Deposit Address button. Copy this address carefully. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Remember, always use the correct network. For Chainlink, it's typically Ethereum's network. Step 3. Back in your Tangem wallet, paste the Kraken deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer, but leave enough for any network fees. Review the details one last time, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a prompt to approve it, so go ahead and do that. After initiating the transfer, Step 4. Wait for the transaction to confirm on the blockchain. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, head back to Kraken and check your account balance. Your Chainlink should now be there. A quick tip. Always verify addresses to prevent scams, and keep an eye on gas fees, which might be lower in 2025 due to tech advancements. If you run into issues, Kraken's support or Tangem's help resources can be super helpful. There you have it. That's how you transfer Chainlink from Tangem to Kraken in 2025. It's simpler than it sounds once you get the hang of it. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.